Hi there, my name is Mark Lee, and I'm a Senior Manager of Paid Media and Measurement here at Granular. And I wanted to show you one of the great ways that you can build reporting within GA4 that makes it really easy for you to kind of make sense of a lot of the data and have one central place to look at it. So once you're within your GA4 property and you go to Reports, you can go to Report Snapshot. If you go here and you go Customize Report, you'll get options to essentially play with the cards that are in here. So you can remove anything. So if users by country isn't really important, get rid of that. If conversions by platform is your most important, you can move that up and make that your number one. There's also customizability in this so that it's not conversions, maybe it's an event count or it's total revenue by platform. So there's no data for this because we don't run revenue for this property. But you can see event count. It's all web because we don't have an app. So all of these great scorecards in here, time series, cohort analysis, you can see, week one, device data, it's the highest this week. There's more data when you get into an e-commerce site. There'll be items purchased by item name. And then you can go in here and add cards. So this is great because there's a lot of different cards you can add. If you have a multilingual site or a site that translates to multiple languages, you can add that and move that around, and we can see that English is number one, with Spanish and Chinese being where the sessions are essentially the second. Other cards is an area where you have your summary cards and your other cards. So this is a great place where you can add, if you have quantity by item ID, so this wouldn't matter for us, but you can change this to be, what item IDs or what items are selling the most often or have the most revenue sold. You can change this to be, total revenue, everything. There's a lot of ones, this one is a great one where you can do sessions by first user, source, and media, and this is a great one to add. So it's down here, but if this is most important to you, you can move it up here. And then we can see this, and you can play with it a little bit. You can change it to total users, whatever you'd like it to be. So we can see that our, the first user, source, and medium, we have the most total users from Google Ads. And you can see all of our events that are coming in. So once you kind of like this and you customize this the way you want, you hit save and save to new report. Mark test. And then you're going to back out of this. You're going to go to the library. You're going to find your report that you created. And you can set it as the snapshot, essentially default. So you can see that it's a current report snapshot. So if you go to this, every single time that you load into this report snapshot, it's going to be the one that you created. You can see this is what we added. We added this and moved it around. The other great feature of this is you can share this with different stakeholders. You can schedule an email, so it'll come essentially to someone at a scheduled time. You could do this weekly or monthly. This is great if you want, a snapshot of, say, last month or last week's data, sent to you without you having to go in here and grab it. But you can also share it with a link, and that link is live, so someone could bookmark it. And then you have also the chance to download this into a PDF. So this is a great way to be able to clearly make sense of a lot of the reporting in GA4 and have a central place and really own, this snapshot. And, it's a one-stop place for your GA4 reporting. And it allows you a lot of good data that you'd otherwise have to kind of poke into the different reporting places to grab. So I hope you make sense of this and value it. Definitely use this because I think it will be a good benefit to your GA4 reporting. All right. Thank you.